So it's going to be the longest drive until now.
That Diksha and I left Mumbai together and we will be arriving back in Mumbai city together.
बॉम्बे में बड़े मजे आने वाले हैं.
We have really found our space while we were on this trip and
That's hilarious. That's a hilarious.
yeah, she's done everything from leaving important documents in an auto
That's true.
to leaving her passport in the flight.
मैंने बोला यार run.
Take your shoes off.
मैंने बोला यार.
Good morning, day 3, Tata.
Just want to report that हम लोग आज late है थोड़े, but that's because fatigue था 2 days से. Niyati got some really weird allergy yesterday in her eyes and I didn't want to push her either. I was being a nice sibling. Because हम लोग dinner के लिए गए to this place called Art District, right? Yeah, and it used to be a mill that has turned into a really cool place with lots of food places where Miss Pindo met a bit of a mad dog and Niyadi was really scared. My friend Rushabh was also there. And we had to rush from there a little also because it was getting late and Niyadi's eyes were just not feeling good.
Niyati is blind right now. Okay,
Fully.
So Rishabh, stop laughing. Wait, Niyati is. Oh my
Blind.
God, I am. There is just too much scattering of light here.
Yeah, we should first go to the pharmacy.
Diksha is not prioritizing my eye only, yaar.
We can
It's amazing.
anywhere, everywhere.
Yeah, Diksha, my eye has.
Okay, you guys can keep walking. I can literally walk.
यहाँ से walk. Diksha, ये अच्छा चलो. यहाँ से मैं. Miss Pinto. चलो.
Sorry,
चलो. चलो इधर यार.
So as you can see, I'm not annoying at all.
You have no idea.
On this road trip, I am really not annoying. Just taking a blind person ka video. Who cares?
Miss Pinto.
So Niyati went for swimming today, and after that she has become blind.
यार मजाक मत उड़ा, ठीक है? कि सच में कुछ हो गया ना मेरी आँख.
नहीं कुछ भी नहीं हुआ.
मुझे मार दूंगी मैं.
10 घंटे ड्राइव करना है फिर
हाँ.
के लिए.
And now he has to tell us कि कहाँ पे जाए जहाँ पे दवाई मिल जाएगा, ठीक है? But ठीक है यही है. For tonight this is it. Actually मैं बाद में बताऊंगी कि ऐसे ही होता है यार. Rushabh doesn't know what it takes to be a cameraman.
दीक्षा वहाँ पे डॉग है
You
क्या?
don't know. Oh, okay, now I'm going. Bye. Dog hai.
I was really keeping fingers crossed, or I would have cancelled this today because I can't drive 8 hours. It shows 8 hours right now to Bombay. So it's going to be the longest drive until now. Looking forward to it. I will shoot a lot of content because I learned new skills since last night and I'm getting good at it. And I got a lot of compliments also.
We're leaving at 8:41, which is a good. I would just like to say
same ही time
few minutes.
जो कल से रात से दिख रहे हैं.
few minutes later than what we originally had thought, but and the city seems to be sleeping because there is no traffic so far. So
I'm very happy because Miss Pinto को खाना खिला दिया, घुमा दिया.
हाँ, हमने भी खा लिया. We also I think it's one of the only days that we've also actually had proper breakfast. We've had a coffee. We are feeling good. We slept well. We also had Miss Pinto with us, and it's her first long road trip. Like she's already mentioned, I had a bit of an incident with my eyes last night. तो हम लोग सोए भी अच्छे से, हमने खाया भी अच्छे से, and even though we are a few minutes late to start, or I would say an hour or two behind time, but that's okay. I mean, because we are feeling great, right? Like we are in good spirits, we are well rested. Our Miss Pinto is well rested. She's well fed. So we can, I think, अब तो हम, eventually तो पहुंच ही जाएंगे और, ऐसा नहीं है कि हम बहुत late night पहुंचेंगे. Right now, our arrival is 4:46. I think if we stop and all, it may extend, but we may not stop also, Diksha. Except for lunch, we may just...
I wanted to have breakfast, so I don't feel the need.
Maybe we'll just, stop for a bit and get something packed for lunch. So feeling good, last day, we'll reach Mumbai soon. And I think it's quite poetic that Diksha and I left Mumbai together and we will be arriving back in Mumbai city together. Though I'll go back to Delhi, but still. And I think it's been a good journey for both of us as well, क्योंकि दीक्षा ने बार-बार mention किया है, पता नहीं I think बहुत affected है बेचारी because she misses me. कि you know हम दोनों की काफ़ी लड़ाई चल रही थी. We have really found our space while we were on this trip and we've been able to I think reconnect and express and you know and
Like never before.
find that place that she's being little dramatic. We have found our way back to each other earlier also.
I mean, what is the option?
But I think कि you know we कितना भी हो, I think we do share a want to eventually fix things between us. क्योंकि it does keep us in a lot of anxiety when it is not. मतलब मुझे तो बहुत anxiety होती है. And you know just the whole fact कि बात नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, express नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. Like I will not mention the whole thing, but I think when I started, there was something that was really affecting me, and I wasn't able to. And you know, I was, for the lack of a better term, putting up a brave front, and you know, just going through that entire day just like that, not sharing and just taking it, keeping it with me. And I think जब मैं सोई तो I ended up like just blurting it in front of her कि नहीं, and I just said it like this only, मेरे से नहीं रहा जा रहा. And I think it helped me. I felt released, and you know, it is good, yeah. All in all, it's a good experience, and I'm happy that you know we have done this, and yeah, I'm hoping for a better trip going forward. पता नहीं क्यों रोने का मन कर रहा है.
Better trip. वो तो तेरे को पूरा टाइम ही करता है. Better trip.
That's a mean thing to say. इसलिए अब then now I will not cry in front of.
I am joking यार. बॉम्बे में बड़े मजे आने वाले हैं. एक बहुत ही बड़ा सा मंदिर हम क्रॉस कर रहे हैं. I want to know what मंदिर this is.
बाहर लिखा हुआ था, but अब पता नहीं.
हाँ, I like to go. अगर टाइम होता I would have gone right now.
Yeah.
Also because it's very peaceful.
हाँ यार, I think you know different people hold on to different things in different phases of their lives, and I think faith एक चीज है जो बड़ी personal होती है technically. Maybe कुछ families या कुछ households में basic होती होगी कि मतलब जो सब कर रहे हैं, शायद हमारे में भी होगी जब हम छोटे थे. But I think faith is a very personal thing, you know, when it strikes you or when you start holding on to it or when you start harboring it, no one knows. Actually, it's my really big belief that Diksha ka luck is outstanding, if I can say, right? Touch wood. I wish it always remains that. And I think her luck with these things is amazing. She can leave something in the middle of a haystack and there's a good chance that some animal will find it for her.
That's hilarious. That's a hilarious.
Yeah. She's done everything from leaving important documents in an auto.
That's true.
To leaving her passport in the flight. To missing a flight.
It happened again recently.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
To leaving, to missing a flight while sitting at the boarding gate of the flight. Like, I mean, that's a general day in Diksha's life. And I think you haven't worn this at all.
Guys, Niyati, I have to tell you this incident. See, if you were in touch with me, you will know, obviously. And then, at a risk of you telling me what the fuck, Diksha, you should be careful.
I've also done a lot of oversharing with you over the last few days at the risk of you telling me I told you so.
That's true.
So let's not be mean to each other.
बोला तो नहीं ना. I told you.
मैं भी नहीं बोलूंगी यार. तू बोल, मैं कभी नहीं बोलती हूँ ये चीज.
मैं भी नहीं बोलती अब तो. बहुत टाइम हो गया
Thanks.
बोला है.
Thanks. हाँ, बोलो.
So भाई मैंने छोड़ दिया था और पता है कब? मेरी कनेक्टिंग फ्लाइट थी फ्रॉम दुबई टू दिल्ली.
Oh shit.
फ्रॉम यूएस. मैं पहुंची गेट तक बोर्डिंग, क्योंकि लेट फ्लाइट लैंड की है. ठीक है, सब भाग के निकले हैं फ्लाइट से कि कनेक्टिंग फ्लाइट कर ले. और मैं बहुत क्यूट हूँ. मैंने सोचा कि ऐसा ही होता है, अगर ये लेट लैंड की है तो फ्लाइट अगर मिस होती है तो दे विल ऑब्वियसली चार्ज. आई मीन दे विल गिव यू अनदर फ्लाइट बिकॉज इट वाज एतिहाद, राइट? एंड बट एतिहाद टू वाज रियली नाइस. मैं पहुंची, फिर मैं तो बैठ के फिर ढूंढूंगी ना. अब तो भाग रही थी अभी तक मैं, तो पासपोर्ट थोड़ी ढूंढूंगी रास्ते में. तो मैं पासपोर्ट ढूंढने लगी. बोर्डिंग गेट, मतलब मैंने लास्ट मोमेंट तक नहीं किया है कि पूरी लाइन खत्म होगी तब निकालूंगी. फिर मेरे को मिल नहीं रहा. फिर मैंने जल्दी, एंड मेरा इंस्टेंट यूजुअली है कि मैं भूल गई हूँ.
और वो भी ये भी ना इंटरनेशनल फ्लाइट्स के पासपोर्ट तो मैं इंटरनेशनल फ्लाइट पे कैरी करती हूँ.
हाँ,
ये इसके साथ होता है. एंड शी इज जस्ट सो नॉनशलेंट.
No, then I had to run back First they had to call someone, and the flight was like 10 minutes from departure, dude.
Oh God.
On the flight, people are sitting, waiting for this girl.
Yeah.
मैं गई हूँ 10 minute walking back, 10 minute, and I'm running, and this female is not running. जिसने heels पहने हुए थी.
Obviously,
ठीक है?
बेचारी.
मैंने बोला यार run.
Take your shoes off.
मैंने बोला हाँ. She's like you run from here. I will tell you. So बोल रही है कि location तुम directions मत देखो, तुम मैं बता रही हूँ तुम वहीं जाना, क्योंकि तुम ऐसे जाओगी नहीं तो. मैंने बोला वाह यार बहुत स्मार्ट लड़की हो तुम. तो मैं 10 मिनट एक रनिंग एंड 10 मतलब मैं I swear I checked my watch. I had ran for 15 minutes. It started indoor run. So I was only running and I was so tired by the time I reached the flight, but I was shocked that I still got my passport and I was still on the flight. I thought I will miss it because obviously they were waiting for me.
एंड सो दीक्षा जब शुरू में किसी इंटरनेशनल फ्लाइट या इंटरनेशनल ट्रिप पे जाती थी तो समटाइम्स आवर मदर वुड मैसेज मी और कॉल मी एंड से कि यार उससे पूछते रहो यार, मुझे तो बहुत टेंशन होती है, वो अकेले अगर जा रही है तो वो कुछ भी कहीं भी छोड़ देती है. बट आई वाज लाइक मुझे भी टेंशन होती है, बट मुझे उतना ही भरोसा भी है कि उसको वापस भी मिल जाएगा. Because it happens and it's great, right? Like it's great, but of course I worry like as a elder sister ki she should, you know, get better about it.
I
But
will.
so far as she's getting rescued.
I mean, I've been traveling alone since 20.
Possibly
40.
12.
हाँ,
No, 12,
मतलब
London
पढ़ाई
12
पढ़ाई करने गई थी, but I was not a traveler then.
अरे
I
but
just
फिर भी
went to
तुम गए
study.
तो अकेले ही ना.
हाँ, तो हाँ, since 2012 and but you know really spending my money and traveling while I was doing my masters. So Barcelona because I used to do whatever part-time jobs. And then back and then Singapore, Dubai, ये सब जो तेरे साथ भी किया. But I've been traveling for like more than a decade now alone, and it's not been the worst.
And it's
No
not,
experience.
and it's still not in her muscle memory to check for her passport before alighting or boarding something or not.
This is the only stop we are taking on before Bombay now.
Kathiawadi.
Hotel Purohit, where they are allowing us to keep this dog here.
And there are lots of these differences, very basic differences in our personality types that can lead to conflict or regular conflicts. But the thing is that हमें अभी तक अच्छे से conflict resolution नहीं आता. I think क्या हो जाता है कि every time that we are able to speak, then it's fine. But a lot of the times, until we are still simmering in that anger, either one of us or both of us, we don't even want to speak, you know. And when you are in anger, तो तुम किसी की बात receive भी नहीं करते, ढंग से express भी नहीं करते. And दीक्षा को इस word से बहुत problem है, but trust deficit होता है तब कि मैं क्या बोलूँगी वो क्या सुनेगी, वो क्या बोलेगी मैं क्या सुनूंगी, मुझे वो कुछ और बोल ना दे, इस बारे में कुछ कह ना दे, you know, अब मैं इसको ये बता दूँ ये बाद में मेरे against use ना कर ले, you know, those are the things that create a trust deficit. और जितना
But I never think
loss of
I never think of you as कि you'll ever use any information against me in the future. Like how you say it, right? कि use मत करना later.
I feel like
बोलती है.
I try not to do that anyway with anybody.
हाँ.
Like I don't, yep, or you can correct me if I'm wrong. I don't remember ever telling anyone कि जैसे तूने मुझे उस दिन बताया था, or something like that.
नहीं, but you definitely remember more Nyadi. So
I definitely remember
court
more.
incidents definitely.
Definitely,
तूने जब वहाँ पे किया था, you do.
I do.
But I
Yeah.
never say it to you कि don't use this information against me. जबकि तेरे को
तेरे
ज्यादा
मन में
याद
नहीं
रहता
आता
है.
होगा, इसके
हाँ,
तेरे मन में नहीं आता होगा, मेरे मन में या मेरे मन में कोई ऐसी incidences सेटल्ड इन होंगी उस टाइम पे, और मैं उसके लिए एंग्शियस फील कर रही होंगी कि ये मेरे अगेंस्ट ना यूज हो जाए, तो मैं बोल देती होंगी. आई मीन that's also sort of me trying to communicate only what I am fearful of, I suppose. But I do think but what I wanted to say in conclusion was that resolution के बाद definitely बहुत अच्छा लगता है, light feel होता है, better feel होता है, mood is better, attitude is better, you know, we are able to engage with each other better. I think अगर हम लाइक अगर हम नहीं बात करते और नहीं मूव करते टुवर्ड्स रेजोल्यूशन तो बहुत ही पनिशमेंट होने वाली थी ये ट्रिप, बिकॉज इट्स जस्ट देन यू आर जस्ट फुल ऑफ एंजाइटी द होल टाइम. And yeah, so let's hope. अब I think she's in Bombay now. I'm going to be in Delhi. So वैसी एक force distance तो आ ही जाएगा.
I always zero down to कि क्यों हमारी fights होती है ना, तो one of the reasons I feel is this.
I think that our manner of speaking, you could be more blunt and I'm a bit softer in that sense.
Yeah.
You are
Softy.
probably. तो मैंने उस टाइम I think we were not engaging very nicely. तो मैं ज़्यादा तुझे highlight नहीं कर रही थी.
I must record this. This is the only stop we are taking on before Bombay now.
Okay,
We will leave now.
because
We
we
will
are-
pee and leave. See you in a bit.
Okay.